bunch of scientists and engineers from a company called Airmyne, which is right here in the neighborhood in Berkeley. So you're going to learn a little bit about the cool stuff that they're doing.
We did activities today to talk about carbon dioxide and the effect that it has on the earth and on the atmosphere. And I think this was a really awesome experience to get to work with young kids who are passionate about science, because I know as me, in a young age, I did not get to do these science experiments and actually get to see it in action. And I could see it in their eyes while we were doing the experiment, how excited they would get to see something physically happen and to see the process that happens in real life. And I think this is an invaluable experience, because this is what gets kids to become future engineers, to become future scientists, to become like PhD students and doctors and everything. And I don't think that they would trade it for the world.